Oh my gosh, I look so stupid with this hat. Who do I think I am? The air. Hi guys, how are you today? Question mark. My name is BaileySarian. I feel the lipstick on my teeth. I get like so many questions asking Bailey, like, what do you use to edit your photos? I thought I would share with you guys how I edit a picture for Instagram or Instagram stories. Like, let's just start there. I'm wearing a hat because this is a wig, and like, I didn't even try and blend the wig with my hair. It just, yeah, So I was like, I'll just put on a hat backwards like the cool kids do and just cover it up for now. I could wear it forwards, but like, this is potential merch. Thoughts? I personally really like it. What about a beanie? Okay, let's get into it. Oh, screen record. Oh, I got a text. I love editing photos. I think it's so fun, and I play around with so many different apps. If you come over to this side of my phone, these are some other apps that I've used or like to use sometimes. Visco used to be like my main squeeze, but then I started to play with Lightroom, and that one is the best. Lightroom is honestly everything. I have video edits, I have Monopoly. But Lightroom is hands down awesome. And at first, it can be really intimidating and not make any sense. But once you get the hang of it, it's actually a lot easier than it looks. Everything that is on my face right now, I'll leave in the description box as well. Let's pick a photo. So I liked this one. Oh wait, my face looks too smooth. I don't like that. Anyways, so at the bottom they have a bunch of different things you can do with the picture, and honestly I mainly only focus on this side from like light, color, effects, detail. That's about it. With Lightroom, you can purchase presets, and presets essentially are filters that are like already tweaked with, like the settings are already messed with, and it just will put it directly on to the picture. So like this one, for example, this one, this one, this one, this one. I was a dumbass and bought these because I, again, was very intimidated with Lightroom. But so I bought some, but you can still get these same effects without buying them, if that makes sense. It just makes it easier if maybe you don't know what you're doing. This one's pretty fire, look. Ooh. So if you go to light, no, normally I like to start with color first. So I always like to move this towards pink because it makes things cooler. If you go this way, it'll make things more green. I just like to tweak it a little bit that way so I don't look too orange. Sometimes I like to look orange, but not today. The vibrance will up the color, down the color. So I'm gonna up it just a smidge so it pops. Saturation, up it a bit. Oh yeah, there she is. This corner button says mix. Click that bad boy. Okay, this is where you're gonna get all the different colors of the rainbow, and you're gonna go through and you're gonna like tweak them all. Now, Lightroom is like, you just kind of have to play until you find the combination that you like. So if I mix, I'm in red right now. If I turn that down, you see how all the red disappears? What's that back there? That orange stripe. Okay, weird. Anyway, so I am going to, let's up it a little bit. Hue changes like the type of red it is. This is the best way. The shade. It's the hue. There you go. What hue of red do you want? Do you know? So I kind of like, I don't want it to be more orange. So a little bit that way. Luminance. Why am I saying it funny? We'll like deepen it or brighten it. Oh, that's really cute. Look. Ooh. Okay. I'm going to brighten it a bit. Cute. This one, orange. This one will change your skin, so be careful. Like if you go down, look at, yeah. Now I'm going into yellow. What am I going to do? I normally start with the saturation and I'll turn it down and then turn it up and see if anything turns. Because then you'll know like where it's at in the photo. I don't know. Does that make sense? All right. Cool talk, guys. Where's green? Is there any green in here? Then I go over to light. Now I could up the contrast, down the contrast. So I'm going to up it a smidge. Exposure. Let's leave it like alone. I think it's fine. Highlights. Up it a bit. Shadows. Ooh, I kind of like it up. White, I'm going to tone it down just to kind of give more of like a matte look, I guess. Blacks. Then effects. I go to clarity. Most people avoid clarity because they don't want to see this. Like, oh my God, that's scary. But I flippin' love it. So I turn it up to like 30. It makes the image just look sharp and more professional. I only take, well, I take majority of my selfies on my iPhone, either the front camera or the back camera. Either one, I don't really care. But I'll up the clarity and the sharpening. Those two things will make it look like it's a professional picture. So don't be afraid of it. You can add grain if you want your picture to look grainy. Sharpening is under detail. So I definitely sharpen her up. Noise reduction I always do because sometimes when you play around with these images, the colors start to look really weird, like they're not blending properly. So I up noise reduction and color noise reduction, and it'll kind of make things blend more seamlessly. So that's before, and then we have after. I'm going to show you another app actually, because I just remembered. This one's really good. Where is it? Ooh, this one. I think it's Meitu. This one's free. I only come here for one reason and one reason only. Mosaic. Mosaic is cool. You can give yourself a really cool background. So down here is all the different like types of background you can get. This one is really pretty. And then you just paint it on. Look. Boom, boom, boom. Paint it on, and then let's say you got it on your face. Whoops, my mistake. Take the eraser. Oh yeah, this one's my favorite. Paint this on. Oh yeah. Okay, look it. Ooh, that's cute. So that one is another favorite. And then, okay, these two are my favorite here. Storyluxe and Scroll. Scroll is the shit. It's free to download and stuff, but you have to pay if you want these other types. The only one I mainly use is this one. It's called Paper. This one's one of my favorites. See how it has all that grain and stuff? So it'll add texture. And then you click and you can add the image. So right here, be like, oh my God, yeah, I'm coming through, look, boom. And then over here, you can add another image, maybe this one, look. Oh my God, what? I'm peeking over. So, ooh, this is another good one. I look scared, I kind of like it. Okay. You can add text if you want to. Hey, follow me on Instagram. You've probably been seeing this a lot. Look, boom. So it's a square for your Instagram. So if you want to do an Instagram picture, I mean, they don't really match. What am I doing? Oh, you can turn it on here? I had no idea. Okay, learn something new. It would look like on Instagram. They would scroll and be like, oh my God, what? I love this one. It's so fun. So then there's also Storyluxe. Now this one's free. If you want extra things, you have to pay for it. So if it has like a little lock sign, those ones you have to pay for, but I'm not paying for it, you know what I'm saying? So this one's nice for like Instagram stories. So like for this one, you could change the backdrop. You have to pay for extras, but they have pretty good ones that are free. They have the fake marble. I really like, there's this one, which is pillowcases. And then there's this one, which is water, which I like a lot. It doesn't really go with this picture, but that one does. If you do the 4x5, it will crop it down to a Instagram post. Save the camera roll. Yeah, I follow Kensington Royal. I'm going to post that one. Oh my God, me right now. LOL. Sometimes I'll take the little doodle thing up here. This is very rare, but I'm just showing it to you guys. And I'll like do a little swirl. Watch. Swirl, 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 swirl. Then you take the eraser up the size a bit. Erase it wherever it hits your body. Back one. Try and erase it. This one. Ooh. Done. Okay. Ooh. 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 Do I like Paris or original? Ooh. Post that. Ooh, found this video helpful. I don't know. I tried my best right now, but that's mainly what I use to edit. Scroll is my jam right now. Lightroom is everything, and you just have to like tweak and play around until you like how the photo's looking. Since getting Lightroom, I've stopped using everything else. So what did I use before Lightroom? I don't even know. Oh, Visco. It's not my favorite anymore. It makes the photo kind of look Let me cut out the top of my wig, and then it's not that bad. There we go. I hope you have a really good day today. You make great choices. And I'll be seeing you guys later. Bye.